Oops. Anyways, that's about good. It was a safe distance. It'll be okay. Okay, well this thing, this 1850 was my first tractor. It's been parked in this spot since I got the 1750. It runs, but it needs a hydraulic line put over onto it. I stole the fitting and the piping that goes to the cooler from the hydrodrive, and I put it on the 1750. So I think it should be safe because the exhaust has been open, and the way the manifold is built, it's got to fill this right up to get inside, so it should be okay. I'll cover it this time when I park it. But yeah, we're going to get this baby running. You could probably use a little oil. Should be okay though. Oh, it's within range. Maybe high. What's it smell like? It smells typical. I expect the old Perkins is going to start good. It's got a primer pump. I'll give her a few shots of that just to make sure. I think the fuel is turned off right now, so I should probably turn that back on. I gotta put a battery in it. I'm gonna say that should be open. Somewhere's in the middle anyhow. Should run. Yeah, I won't be needing this bag on here anymore. I thought it was just to cover up the clutch adjustment hole that I was having so much fun with. I even made my own wrench for doing that. When I pulled I didn't do video of it, I wish that I had. When I pulled the motor and the hydrodrive to do the clutch, and I did it, and I put it back together and it didn't work, I figured out that I could adjust the clutch fingers, and I drove it and adjusted them and drove it and adjusted them and drove it and adjusted them till one broke off one day. And then I adjusted the other three until it started working, so it's on borrowed time, and it's going to need that all redone again, which is a lot of work, which maybe I'll do a video of, because I like this tractor. This 1850's got lots of push. Be nice to put the loader off the 1750 on it, but this loader works pretty good too, even though I broke it in half once. It was cracked and I didn't fix it, I just started using it. But we're gonna, oh, we had some friendlies up there. Niceness. Gotta love those guys. We're going metal, so that's good. But, yeah, we're gonna move this tractor. I gotta put a battery in it, put some air in this tire, put that line on it. Let's get at her. Okay, well, as part of getting the other tractor running, I have to take the line back off of here. And then I thought I grabbed a 1/2 inch. I grabbed the 2 9/16. Oh, that's no fun. Okay, so I needed to go and get more socket, more wrenches. Okay, well, we're back, and this time we get the right wrench. I hope. Should be 1/2 inch. Of course, this thing is in just the position. It's perfect. It is the perfect storm. I think the wrench might be too small, and the filter base is in the way, and it's just a real awkward pain in the ass. Pardon my language there, YouTubers, but yeah, I can get this much turn on it. Oh yeah, not much. And I can't get the wrench back onto it far enough to. Oh my god. I hated doing this last time, that's why it's burnt my hair when I was playing with the fire. So we get to have burnt hair smell while we're doing it. Oh, I got it to come loose. Amazing. Amazing. Yes, sir. Okay, so we're winning now. I thought about going and doing some video of Big Bash, but I see another channel that's got that covered, and I've been working on stuff around home like this. This is a pain in the butt, but I have to do it to move the other tractor. This is actually a part off of the other tractor that I put on this tractor to get it mobile and usable. And I just haven't got around to it. I should just get a couple fittings and get some rubber line. I don't think it's a high pressure fitting. It might be, I don't know. I get high pressure line and just make up a line and install it. It's just a pain in the butt. Like it is a real pain in the butt to do this. Every time you want to move both tractors, you gotta take it apart, and it's a pain in the butt. I mean, you guys probably can't even see that. Probably a better angle here. I'm going to undo the other side of this fitting, and then we should be able to get this line to come out. Okay, the line is undone on this end, but it appears as though it's not quite undone on this end. So I think I can get my hand down here. It's in just the perfect spot where you can almost not get your hand on it. Okay, there we go. I got the line off, and she comes out that easy. Got a piece of dirt in there. Got that out. Okay. She's old. She'll take dirt. That's life. Dirty farm equipment. Oh, and I got the right wrench here. Okay, now we undo this fitting. It's not really tight. That's okay, because we're going to take it back out. Try not to drop it in the long grass. It's under the tractor doing that. This is difficult to do with one hand. I hope you guys can appreciate the effort I'm putting in for you. Oh, hey, there we go. That's a better grab. I can support it and grab it and turn it, and I feel like it's getting close. It's wobbling. Now that's when I need to be careful I don't drop it, because I could drop it very easily. Now it's really fluid, that's okay. So we need I think we need these. I don't know which ones. Whatever, I'm taking this stuff. Okay, we're going to the other tractor. This one was a real pain in the butt because of where everything's situated. It was just a real pain in the butt. Anyways, we got the fitting here. And we have to somehow squeeze in here with the fitting and not drop it down into the belly pan of the tractor, whilst we have no place to put our head to see anything, much less get in anywhere. I can't even look at this. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see it. I've got it so close to the hole. Holding the camera and doing this. This is ridiculous. Yeah. You can see I'm on the edge of the threads, but I can't tip it. I can't get my other hand down there because it's holding the camera for you guys. So you guys here, you might just have to not see what I'm doing for a second here. And maybe you can see what I'm doing here. I don't know. I can't even get my body in here to do this. It's insane. This is insane. But they do it from the other side, perhaps. I'm back because I'm too silly to stop. I'm going to turn my, ow, watch your head. I'm going to grab it like this from upside down because that's always easier if everything's backwards when you're trying to figure out which way to turn it. And if you're lined up or not, because you can't see it. Turn to tight, which is fine by me. If I can get a wrench on it to do that. Even if it leaks a little bit, it's only going to move for a little ways, so I can certainly live with that. It's going to come right back off again and go back on the other tractor anyways. This is just a temporary move situation. Okay, now we stuck this one through here. Okay, and then we stick it into here. But the tricky part is getting this into the fitting wherever that is, up here. Here it is. Okay, getting this into this fitting here. Okay. And getting it into this fitting here. That's started. Now what about this one? Will it start? I got it started there. That's tight. You probably shouldn't have tightened that up. Well, this end was still halfway loose, but that's my own stupidity. I should not have done that, but I did, so I'll just loosen it back off again. It should move pretty easily. The other end is loose, the fitting is loose in the casting, but it's going to do the job for as far as we need to move, even if it leaks a little bit. tighten the other end up here a little bit. I don't want to pump fluid all over the ground. Okay, there, that's tight. Okay, there's that. So, we're one step closer to seeing the 1850 run in 2 years. It has not moved under its own power. I just recently pushed it with the other tractor the other day. I gotta put some air in the tire, put a battery in her, and let's see if the old girl will come to life. She should. I like this tractor. It's a pretty good tractor. So here we are. Battery's got to go that way. Negative. We did this 100% with style. Now we're running it. Well, it's perfect. Now, just in case anything bad's going to happen, check the gear shift. It's neutral. And right to the starter, nice and short. And we should be able to see if this little girl will run or not. Okay, I'm going to try and start this thing. There just had to be a bunch of extra traffic just now, and a yellow jacket, of course. You've got to get the yellow jackets involved in this. Now, because I don't have a key for this tractor, I've been starting with a screwdriver, and it's been a while. I can't remember which ones to do. I think it's these two. Yes, sir. Okay. She cranks. Okay, so let's give her a little tiny bit of, and we'll give her a little snort, I think, of go-go juice, just a tiny little snort. And we're going to crank it. There we go. Come on, baby. She's cranking out the juice. Huh, weird, the camera can pick up the flicker in the bulb, but I can't. That's pretty cool. Look at that a little bit. We'll come back to it. Well, hopefully that gets her. I give her a little while to rest, get the charger on, and hopefully she cranks better than she was. Okay. That's okay. It shouldn't hurt too much. Put that down there. Okay, that cranks way better. Okay. Here we go. I like the old Perkins. Starts so good, it's been sitting for 2 years. That's all it took to get it going. I bet it's low on hydraulic oil though. this done before she did that. I've never seen that pedal move like that before. You can hear it. So you can lose the clutch a little time. I expect the clutch to fail in any second. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, I can tell you right now what's going to have to happen. I'm going to have to start it in gear. That's okay. First gear. No problem. She should fire right up. Because I already had it running, so here we go. Hope I don't hurt the tire any. That's not slowing her down at all. I'm going to be able to kill her. It's a quick time, and she's got to go now to be safe. And down she goes. Well, that wasn't very good for the tire, but the other clutch is not working in this tractor anymore. Anyways, we got her moved. Now we'll take that fitting back off. I should probably block that axle up, put some air in the tire and block it up, just to be nice to it. I'm going to take the fitting back off, put it back on that tractor. I'll save you guys the torment of doing that, but you seen it. It's live. I love this tractor. This tractor's really cool. Actually, you know, my bad. I could have took the key from that tractor, inserted it into this, and not used the screwdriver to start my tractor. Oops. Gags on me. Thanks for watching. Oops. Anyways, that's about good. It was a safe distance. It'll be okay.